Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to use three methods to graph a linear equation. Our example is 2x plus 3y is 12. Remember, this is ax plus by equals c. That's our standard form. We're going to use a little bit longer method first. It is called use a table. When you use a table, you can plug in any points you choose. I'm going to use 5 points, which is called -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Alright, which means we need to plug in 5 times and then to find the corresponding y value and put down here. Then we will have a total 5 points. I'm going to put down here. This is a skill you already gained from pre-algebra. So the first one, x is -2. And plus 3y equals 12. Go ahead and find what is y. Next one, x is -1 plus 3y equals 12. What is y? Next one, we're going to have 0, x is 0 plus 3y equals 12. What is y? Next one, what is y? Last one, okay, due to the fact that everyone knows how to calculate this, we're just gonna skip this, save some time. And guess what? You only need 2 points to graph a linear equation, a straight line, right? Only 2 points. Therefore, I'm gonna pick the 0 first. This one gonna be a simple fix. 2 times 0 is 0. 3y equals 12. Y is 4, which means I got 1 point that says 0, 4. And which one would you like to pick next one? Okay, I'm looking at this one. Oh, I can pick 2. Let's try 2. So that's 4 plus 3y equals 12. Minus 4 each side. 3y equals 8. Divided by 3. Y is what? 8 over 3. So my next point is x is 2 and y is 8 over 3. Alright, now, which means we can start to plot these 2 points. And then we're gonna connect it. Then we got our graph done. Okay, alright, let's grab a piece of paper and do this exercise with me. Okay, we're gonna have a graph. And the first one, I'm gonna graph 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Okay, this is on the y-axis, 0, 4, down. Next one, 2 and 8 over 3. 8 over 3 is 2 and 2 over 3, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 2, that's 8. So I'm going to graph a point that says 1, 2, 2 is here. And 2 and 2/3. 1, 2, 2 and 2/3 is about here. I got the second point down. And the next step, I'm going to graph it by connecting it, put arrow, arrow. Alright, this is our little bit longer method. Remember, you got to calculate 5 times.